Hello everyone! Let's master the art of a perfect cup of coffee at home with us with electric coffee percolators. Some days, it can be tricky to find the right balance of flavor, heat and timing, especially with so many options and brewing methods available. Let us help you simplify your coffee making process. Explore some of the best electric coffee percolators designed to make delicious barista-level coffee, making it easier and more enjoyable. First, we have Presto stainless steel coffee percolators. We absolutely love the value, ease of cleaning, temperature, appearance, and performance of the coffee pot. It's worth the cost. The stainless steel is easy to clean inside and out, keeps coffee hot, and the handle remains cool to the touch. It performs just like a coffee pot should. Second, the West Bend Classic Coffee Percolator is designed with a capacity for up to 12 cups. It's perfect for any occasion, whether it's your morning cup or serving guests. This percolator features a ready-to-serve indicator light and a coffee level indicator on the handle. It is built entirely from stainless steel, ensuring durability. It automatically keeps your coffee at the perfect serving temperature. For convenience, the cover, stem, and basket are top-rack dishwasher safe, simplifying your cleanup process. Third, we have the Farberware electric coffee percolator. A blend of classic design and modern technology, this unit boasts a robust stainless steel build and a consistent brew speed of 1 cup per minute. The automatic keep warm mode ensures your coffee is ready to drink. Safety is paramount with a cool touch handle and lid knob featuring rolled edges for easy handling. Fourth, we have Primula Today aluminum stovetop percolator. This 9-cup percolator is not just easy to use, but also economically advantageous, allowing you to enjoy craft coffee at home. The aluminum construction ensures even heat distribution, enhancing the coffee's flavor and aroma. Featuring a simplistic classic design with a stay-cool black plastic handle and a lipped spout for easy pouring, it is an ideal companion for all coffee lovers. Fifth, we have Elite Gourmet electric coffee percolator with the ability to brew up to 12 cups of coffee in minutes. This percolator is both convenient and efficient. The ready-to-serve light and transparent brew progress knob let you know when your coffee is ready, and the 360-degree swivel base allows for cord-free serving at any table. Ergonomically designed, it combines style with functionality. In 6th place, discover the rugged charm of the COLETTI Bozeman Camping Coffee Pot, designed for the great outdoors. Crafted from durable steel, this toxin-free coffee maker is equipped with a heat-toughened glass top and a sturdy hardwood handle. This pot promises longevity, plus it comes with a lifetime replacement guarantee, ensuring it's the last camping coffee pot you'll ever need. Next, we switch gears to a more home-friendly option, the Hamilton Beach Electric Percolator. This elegant appliance brews rich, flavorful coffee at a rapid cup-a-minute rate and keeps it hot without scorching. Perfect for any coffee lover's morning routine. It features an easy pour spout and a cool touch handle for effortless serving, along with a removable cord. An indicator light tells you when your coffee is ready, making your brewing process seamless and enjoyable. That was all about maximizing flavor with electric coffee percolators. Next, let's maximize space. In this video, I will help you explore the top Keurig models that fit even in the tiniest of kitchens. Check it out.